Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best vegan protein powders on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Regarded by many as the best vegetarian protein powder available, these Amazon bestsellers, Orgain Chocolate Fudge Flavor, Vegetable Protein Dust is alkaline, affordable and taste, so it is unlikely that much realize that there is a protein powder is actually, that's not something you can say excellent for many powder choice for market. And if you want to replace some of their regular meals with protein supplements, this powder prevents the pain of hunger experienced when other products are used. It is also ideal for those who want to keep fed, if, between the office, gym or just walking in their daily lives activities. It is extremely versatile for replacement fast food increases after training or busy lifestyle and delicious when mixed with banana and ice. Each of the head's initial powder body are to be removed, calcareous to sandy familiar with. Number 2. Our second best pick is Garden of Life Vegan Protein Powder. For your 5 days, it is important to achieve the best possible health, but we all know that we do not always have the time to eat a meal with all the necessary nutrients. This is one of the reasons protein powders have become so popular for those with busy lives, to and from one place to another through the least time without even themselves. This time combination is perfect. They are able to make sure to do so through the boring days at the office and can even squeeze out enough representatives in the gym at the same time to not negatively interfere with digestion or recreation to keep comfortable. While this product could not pass the taste test the same as the others in this list, it is not always about good taste, but the effect that it can have on the body. In addition, you can always throw another tie-in enough to alleviate ingredients that could take a while to overcome, if at all. Of everything to improve for a portion of what they feel, appearance and movement, Garden Life Powder Meal Replacement is something to take note of. Number 3. Our third best pick is Garden of Life Organic Protein Powder with vitamins and probiotics, vanilla. This powder milk protein did not develop through the Garden of Life, but faced a reaction of long-term customers recently due to the change in formula they did not expect, and is not happy. For those who have never tried before, but this should not be a problem, and protein powder all criteria meet a number of fields that your protein goals can help meet every day of the week. Developed with the quality of the dust in the eye, Garden Protein Powder in Organic Life Probiotics contains aid in the digestion of an effective experience. Also full vitamins A, to keep your body together. Very, D, E and K, works as you do. It also needs an ideal replacement for anyone struggling to digest, and serum. It allows virtually anyone to obtain the benefits of this smoothie. Available in a variety of flavors on top of vanilla, there is something for all. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Purely Inspired Organic Protein Powder. This protein purely organic powder is recognized as the number of the United States and a sales. Organic protein is one of the best vegetarian protein money can buy powder. They cover a wide range of bases with on-the-go convenience, plant 20 grams of protein value and 7 grams of fiber, while only 2 grams of sugar. There is little to complain about with this product. But, there is always something to choose. As with the many of the products on this list, and protein powder in general, taste can put people off. This should not be too much of a problem, however, and while not, this step will delight your taste buds more, which is still essential. Its alleged softness, the few to wet cardboard left ascribed in the sun drying means, it is not full of artificial flavors. You're never quite sure if they can be trusted, no matter how good they are. This helps to ensure peace of mind that you know exactly what you pay for, although it might take a while to digest taste. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is KOS Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder Raw Chocolate. This amazing protein powder, raw organic chocolate flavor, impregnated Peruvian cocoa, salt of the Himalayas, rose, coconut milk and a pinch of organic stevia and monk fruit, has everything you could need as an addition. Standing less reliable over time, It is a protein powder that is recommended by nutritionists and personal trainers alike to help achieve the best ingredients and a sweet lifestyle possible. It is desirable, but not to manage for most customers, causes stomach inflammation that could erase. Fruit and vegetable mixture also eliminates the possibility of an unpleasant experience that can even protein powder zealous bosses back away. Costambian has a longer life and is frozen at the start of each week to choose when you want. You know your body better than we, hopefully. Keep these things in mind when taking into account protein powder's output. You will save a lot of frustration trying different brands. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.